Let's unbox some wishlist plants. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Roos, my pronouns are she, her, and I got a box from Indonesia that we're gonna unbox together. I'm super excited. I know there are two incredible plants in here, and I know now, because this is filmed afterwards, that there is much more inside. Let's take a look. I got the box. It came all the way from Indonesia, from Rav House via Bunny Jungle, so let's check it out. Can you guess what this is? Please in the comments do some guessing. That would be so fun to read back. I'm scared. I'm scared and excited. Fluff! Hey, it's supposed to be two plants, but I see three. Three? 1, 2, 3. They actually have insulation in the box, and then all the fluff. And look here, the heat pack is still warm. Really warm. I was expecting two plants, so now I am a little bit confused and don't know where to start. Let's start with the smallest. Ooh, what is this? They sent me some surprises, because this is two plants in the smallest package, and I was expecting two plants total. It says the name on there. I'm not quite sure what to expect, because this is not a type of plant that I am very well known with. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's so pretty! Look, it is a variegated satin pothos. Scindapsus, I think, with really nice variegation. Oh, this is so nice. I was not expecting this one at all. Thank you so much. Oh, this has become even more fun because now it's actually a surprise. I need a table. I actually messaged the sellers and they explained to me that next to the two plants that I requested, they sent me several endemic Indonesian plants. Ooh, what are they sending me? I shouldn't read the labels because I'm cheating a little bit. I'm peeking before you guys, and that's not allowed. Towards you, because that's more fun when you see it first. Oh, what is this? It said anthurium hookery mint. Oh, I'm gonna need to find a new prop box for these because I'm leaving in 2 days. They look really happy for having been sent from Indonesia. From my knowledge, generally anthurium come from South America and not Asia, but maybe this mint version was found in Indonesia. I don't know exactly the details about that. Next, there's 4 plants in here. This is so much more than expected. Oh, I should not look at the labels. I should not look at the labels. I'm looking at the labels. Stop me. Stop me. It's too exciting. Are you good with surprises? I love surprises, but I'm too curious and I will look. Let's see what's inside this one. Oh, this one has a bit of shipping damage. I think it may have been against the heat pack maybe, that it got a little bit snotty. But that's okay, because the other ones look great. And the new leaf also looks okay. So this is Adansonii variegata yellow. And I actually already own this one. So maybe I can do something fun with this, do a giveaway or something. I don't know what this is at all. I even saw the label and I still don't know what it is. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing. Do you guys like these types of videos? Of course, I really like doing it, but I don't often buy stuff because I don't have that much space in my house. But I will make space for these. What is this? Pubalula? Pubalula? Does anyone know what that means? I will Google after. But either it's a philodendron, maybe? Maybe it's a philodendron. Pubalula? Never heard of it before ever. But it looks very cool. The Pubalula that I could not pronounce or figure out the name of is actually a Rhaphidophora pubarella. And apparently it's really cool to grow. I have very little experience with Rhaphidophora, so I'm gonna try and see how it goes. I just keep going, I don't know, I feel really weird about it, but... This name also doesn't mean anything to me, so it's extra fun unboxing because I don't know what's coming. Okay. Here we go again. Towards you. towards you. This says philodendron mega mega spina. I have no idea what it is, but there is a new leaf on the way. The oldest leaf is a little bit yellow, but that is quite normal being shipped. The new leaf is right here. A Rhaphidophora as well, Rhaphidophora megasperma, which apparently is also a very cool plant. I have no idea. Like I said, I own maybe 2 types of Rhaphidophora, and they're all the shingling types that I grow in my terrarium. But I'm gonna try and we'll let you know how it goes. But we will see. See. Oh, I dropped one! No! Not the cute Scindapsus. By the way, this is the second Scindapsus that I own. I only have one. Normal one. A few more to go. I have been wanting this plant ever since I saw it. I did not think I was able to ever get it because they were so expensive, and they're still quite expensive. So I'm really grateful and happy that Rav House and Bunny Jungle arranged this for me so that I can receive this. Here we go. Ah! Oh my gosh, it's adorable! It's adorable! Can you tell what this is? Bilietier variegata. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful! The second leaf here has a tiny bit of variegation at the bottom. And this leaf is half beautiful and half green. And then this is the new growth point here. Whoa! I really hope I can keep it happy because I've seen a lot of videos where it either reverts to green or goes all yellow, but we're gonna try together, little Billy. Rose and Billy sitting on the tree. Last one, last one. This is the big one. Oh my gosh. This is another one that I never thought I would own because they were so expensive. I'm already seeing it. I'm cheating. Wait. Okay. There we go. You see it first. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Okay. Can you spot it? Wow! Wow! It's amazing! It is Monstera deliciosa yellow variegated. As you can tell, I love yellow variegation. Oh my gosh, and there's a new leaf on the way over here. Look at it. And it has nice fenestrations now. Ah! Oh, this one is the previous leaf. Not a lot of variegation, but also it's yellow variegation, so it takes a while before you see it if you don't know. This older leaf though. You see me looking sideways all the time because that's where my little screen is. And I normally hate when people do that when they're recording and looking at themselves all the time and not at the camera. But that's me today. I'm looking at the plants all the time. Also to see if it's in focus, but oh! And then we have this leaf all over, but a little bit more splashy. Marbled variegation. And then this is the latest one. Nice fenestrations already, some variegation. And then this new baby. Ah, it's kind of sad that I'm going away now. I want to see these unfurl and be happy. I need to find a place for them all. Wow, okay, I need to take it in for a second. I need to take you in for a second. If you don't know, Rav House is a seller from Indonesia, well-respected seller from what I know, and they work together with local people to import plants. So in this case, Bunny Jungle in Germany received these plants and then they sent them on to me, which meant that I didn't have any paperwork to worry about. All the phytosanitary annoying stuff was all already finished because it arrived in Europe safely with Bunny Jungle first. So they take away a lot of the risk of importing, which I love. And also shipping costs have gone down because of that, because they're only shipping it from Bunny Jungle to here, Germany to here, instead of from Indonesia all the way to Holland. They did not ask me to make a video about this. This was a gift, but I am super, super impressed and I can't wait to see how these grow. I think the best thing to do is get a bucket of lukewarm water and let them all rehydrate in there for a little bit. The Monstera has some rotting roots, but as you can see it has a lot, so it should be fine. The Billy doesn't have a lot of roots, and this one is unfortunately bent a little bit, but we're gonna try and see. Thank you so much to Rav House for sending me these plants. I will link their information in the description below. And also a big thank you to Bunny Jungle, who import the plants and make sure that they arrive safely and beautifully here in Europe without any issues. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next week in another video. Bye!